Well, here's the last look and start of the yards machine by MTD that I have fixed for my neighbor. It's got a 4 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine on it, 22-inch cut. Put a new spark plug in. It actually started once I put a used spark plug in it. And I cleaned the gas tank and replaced the diaphragm and the primer bulb. It ran really rough once I did put some gas in the tank. And I washed it up as well. I oiled these wheel adjustments so now they raise up and down. They were froze up. And also changed the oil in this as well. So it is clean now. So it actually turned out very well. This is what amount of oil that was in it, which wasn't much and it was really dirty. And this is what it should look like, so it's pretty close now. Much better. I also had sharpened the blade on this as well. The blade was actually in really good shape on here and balanced it. Didn't even require balancing it. So we'll tie the handle down. Let's give it a start. Alright, let's give this a start here. Primer bulb feels very good. Let's see if this will start first time or second time. Here we go. Better with a sharper blade. Well, a great running lawnmower. All finished with the yards machine.